Hello, good morning, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2016 government pass question. Question number 17 says the system of indirect rule failed in the former Eastern Nigeria primarily because the system of indirect rule failed in the former Eastern Nigeria primarily because A of the fragmented political structure, B the chief refused to cooperate with colonial officers, C the high incidence of taxation, chief refused to cooperate with the colonial officers, D the colonial officers imposed warrant chiefs on the people. So indirect rule failed primarily because of the introduction of warrant chiefs that the white men introduced to them to rule over the inborn people of the society. So option D is correct. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.